Greetings from Millennium Park in the beautiful city of Chicago. Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and here is just a quick glimpse of walking through Millennium Park. The park is named because it was built and opened on the Millennium. And one of the quintessential things to see and experience while in Chicago is the Cloud Gate. Here it is. Welcome to Millennium Park. And here is a skyline look of some more of the beautiful and large city of Chicago. Here is the official city seal, not an animal, but the governmental seal, City of Chicago, often referred to as the Windy City. Now the fun thing about this is you are the exhibit. Not you at home, but you are when you're here, because you are indeed reflected into hence making an afternoon in the park an interactive experience. As you can see, it's a well photographed location, and here is a walkthrough. And you'll see many cameras pointed up. Pointed up. Why? There you go. And that's just a quick glimpse. There's lots more to see here in Millennium Park. Art, waterfalls, and of course, restaurants.
Make sure you screenshot the first time.
Till then, from Chicago, wish you were here.